What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the FREKVENS. FREKVENS is Swedish for frequency. It's a modular, portable light and sound system designed by Teenage Engineering in collaboration with IKEA. Now if you haven't heard about Teenage Engineering, they're really famous for their portable synthesizers such as the OP1 and OPZ and their pocket operators. Teenage Engineering is a 35 plus creatives team based in Stockholm, Sweden. They keep saying in their interviews that they don't care about design, but it's really about creating high quality products, and a byproduct of that is excellent engineering and excellent design. I think the beauty of this collaboration is that both IKEA and Teenage Engineering would not compromise anything for the quality of their products. So this collaboration dropped February 1st. They will be incrementally launching this over the course of the month through all the various IKEA locations. I know that there are some countries that do not sell this. You can find that information on Teenage Engineering's FAQ. You cannot buy this on their website. You can only buy this in IKEA stores. Now I'm going to be covering the details of the sound, the design, and then final thoughts on technology. Now regarding sound, you can buy FREKVENS just speaker alone or speaker and subwoofer. I did decide to do this comparison with another portable speaker I have at home called the Bose SoundLink. It is a popular one. I do think it's a little unfair comparison just because the size of the speakers, but hopefully this audio clip will help you get an idea for what kind of sound quality you might be able to get. You might have noticed that the snares and hi-hats are a lot crisper, and the subwoofer does add an element of depth to the bass, which ends up being a very awesome sound. I will mention that these speakers are mono and not stereo, which means that the sound won't be dispersed across different channels, giving you just one sound and one sound only across all your speakers. For some of you, this may be a bummer because you do enjoy the variation of sounds that some tracks offer, but I will say this is excellent for outdoor and open spaces. The best way for me to describe the design is that it's minimal, simple, and is basically the adult version of Legos. I want to say that building this thing was incredibly simple. Initially I was shocked because there was only 4 lines of text for instructions, but essentially all these speakers and lights are held together by plastic pieces labeled IKEA, and all you need to do is have your hex wrench and some screws. All these pieces are essentially simple squares and circles coming together to make really cool objects, and in this case we have the luxury of having cool tech built inside, which makes a cool arrangement of sound and lights. In terms of color, it sticks to a very simple black, and then you have pop colors of blue, red, yellow, and some neutrals to highlight important elements. So for accessories that you can swap in and out, such as these plastic pieces here, they are yellow or come in red. And in the back, you'll also find red and yellow buttons to control turning on and off the device, as well as switching between different modes of the lights. There is a knob for the audio, which you can spin infinitely. You can control it with the speaker or your phone. And there's actually one button for Bluetooth, which is colored blue. If you don't want to connect this via Bluetooth, they do have a 3.5mm cable. So I'll wrap up this video by talking about the tech. It is Bluetooth powered. You can connect up to 8 devices. In terms of the combination of lights and speakers, you can connect up to 7 lights and speakers together. Now this speaker set is battery powered. They essentially charge when the device is on, but if you do need extra batteries, they do sell them at IKEA. There is separate batteries for the speaker and separate batteries for the subwoofer. Finally, they have a portable version of their speaker. It's black, it's about 11 bucks, and on top you'll find the volume adjuster here and a clip on the back which you can clip onto your belt. Kind of a retro feel to these speakers. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If there's any topics that I haven't covered, please feel free to leave your comments or questions down below. Let me know if there's any topics in design or technology that you'd like me to cover in the future, and I'll see you all next time.